Stop playing with them, Riot.
Like, keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he smart, he gon' act like a fan. If you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass. Like, keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he smart, he gon' act like a fan. If you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass. And I just fell in love with a gangster, like, so he put my name in the top. But I don't let him come to the crib, so we get it on where we at.
Welcome back to my channel. So I am back today with another video, and in today's video we will be featuring Tinashe Hair. Big shout out to Tinashe Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today we have a 13x4 lace frontal, 22-inch body wave texture. This is a burgundy highlights wig. So further specs about this hair: this is a full 13x4 frontal, so you have full parting space. This is 22 inches, but it measures to a 24. This is consistent with Tinashe Hair. Their length always gives extra. It always gives extra. Also, this is an HD quality lace, so the lace quality is top tier. There's nothing better than HD that is actually high definition. This is an average cap size. There's an adjustable strap that comes inside of the wig. Along with the adjustable straps, there's an elastic band. So I'm just going to lay the wig down, and we will be back to style her.
Another fight, apple bottom make them wanna bite. I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night. Hold up, don't know, now you know. If you broke, then you gotta let him go. You could have anybody, any money. Cause when you a boss, you could do what you want. Yeah, cause girls is players too. I got like 4 of him. Yeah, I'm sitting first class like bad Victorian. Came a long way from rag to riches. 5-star bitch, yeah, I taste so delicious. Let them lick the plate, yeah, I make them do the dishes. Now you on new smoke, cause I'm missing. Body catching on the plate. I'm about to make them wanna bite. I just wanna have a good day. I just wanna have a good day. Oh, don't know, now you know. If you broke, then you gotta let him go. You could do what you want.
style. I didn't want to do a half up, half down because I've done that like very recently, but I wanted to try something different. I really wanted to show off the color in this hair because this is a highlight. The color placement is so precise. Like, I love the way the burgundy red kind of peeks through depending on how you part the hair. To part the hair in ways that you could really see this color. We did a little side swoop. We're going to start with a swoop, and I just tried to get that as flat as possible and define that part. Did do a few baby hairs because why not? I'm going to use a curling iron to add some curls to this hair. Everything that I used for this install will be in the description box in case you are interested. I also have a code from Tinashe Hair, which will be in the description box as well as the comment section, so definitely check down below if you want to purchase this wig. Definitely use the coupon code. Tinashe never disappoints. Check my videos going years back, like Tinashe never disappoints, and I love the way this looks. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop that down below. Shout out to Tinashe Hair for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to y'all beauties for watching another wig tutorial, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Oh, that's nuts, Billy.
And I know these niggas fast. Now I'm in a trap with C and we throw it up. Fall while my niggas throw it up. Someone took good sense, I might just throw it up. These niggas ain't got no swag, and I ain't no little baby, but I'm in my bathroom. Hype, got you laugh, this nigga left come with a 32 Mac. Nigga that nigga geek, we be tweaking together. And our shoulders rockin' hoodies and this damn hot ass weather. That nigga just like me, I ain't know I had a section. Niggas don't like me, get you like it's a feather. I don't wanna work with you, don't care, that's cool. Singing my heart out, it's my right on this stool. Yeah, and in love, be with this too. And now I gotta show my ass, so hold the flex on you. Santana, I'm flex on you. Gotta show you my ass, so hold the flex on you. And with the glizzy, I'm handle you. Glizzy, baby's the one that wear like you. And I know these niggas best. I'm in a trap, see, and we throw it up. Fall while my niggas throw it up. Someone took good sense, I might just throw it up. These niggas ain't got no swag, and I ain't no little baby, but